Welcome back to Achieve Real TV and channel. High-end real estate is a trend worldwide, and Grand Marina Saigon is one of them. Today, let's update the latest progress of the Grand Marina Saigon project. The Masterise Homes Project Management team, main contractors, and workers at Grand Marina Saigon site have been working day and night to ensure the construction progress is on schedule. The first branded residential tower in Ho Chi Minh City will be in operation in 2023. Glowing Star Lake Tower, backed by Marriott brand, the facade work is 96% completed as well as the landscape works on ground floor are ongoing. At the same time, MEP installations are progressing at all levels. ID fit-out works, including marble installation, suspended ceilings, painting, etc., are ongoing for both Marriott residences and corridors for levels 16 to 25. Glowing Star Sea Tower, backed by duo brand JW Marriott and Marriott, structure work is progressing at level 14. Glowing Star Cove and Lagoon Tower, backed by JW Marriott brand, structure work is progressing at level 9. To purchase a unit in Grand Marina Saigon, please contact Achieve Real TV.